Can I start, ma'am?
Start, Camila.
A
Yes,
good name
Camila, you
is
can start.
to war. It is the surest guarantee of peace. Today, I would like to welcome you all for the inauguration ceremony of the NCC Naval Units. When the invocation descends into the heart, if there is darkness within, it illuminates it, and if there is light, it increases the light and intensifies it. Here we have Corporal Tanya Shri from grade 9 to present the invocation.
திங்களை போற்றுதும் திங்களை போற்றுதும் கொங்கலத்தாற்றனே குளிர்வன் குடை போன்று அங்கன் உலகளித்தலான் ஞாயிறு போற்றுதும் ஞாயிறு போற்றுதும் காவிரி நாடன் திகிரி போல் போர்கோட்டு மேரு வனந்திரிகளால் மாமழை போற்றுதும் மாமழை போற்றுதும் நாமநீர் வேலே உலகிற்கவனலே போல் மேல் நின்று தான் சுரத்தலான் ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி.
Thank you, Tanya Shri. Every nation has a message to deliver, a mission to fulfill, and a destiny to reach. Here we have Sergeant Roshni and myself to present the NCC anthem.
हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। अपनी मंजिल एक है, हा 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 एक है, हो एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।
कश्मीर की धरती रानी है, सरताज हिमालय है। सदियों से हमने इसको अपने खून से पाला है। कश्मीर की धरती रानी है, सरताज हिमालय है। सदियों से हमने इसको अपने खून से पाला है।
देश की रक्षा की खातिर हम शमशीर उतारेंगे, हम शमशीर उतारेंगे। बिखरे बिखरे तारे हैं हम, लेकिन झिलमिल एक है, हा 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 एक है, हो एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। अपनी मंजिल एक है, हा 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 एक है, हो एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।
मंदिर गुरुद्वारे भी है यहाँ और मस्जिद भी है यहाँ। गिरजा का है घड़ियाल कहीं, मुल्ला की कहीं है अज़ान। मंदिर गुरुद्वारे भी है यहाँ और मस्जिद भी है यहाँ। गिरजा का है घड़ियाल कहीं, मुल्ला की कहीं है अज़ान।
एक ही अपना राम है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है। रंग बिरंगे दीप दीपक है हम लेकिन जगमग एक है, हाँ एक है, हाँ एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। अपनी मंजिल एक है, हाँ 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 एक है, हो एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।
Thank you, Roshni. The soul should always stand ajar, ready to welcome the ecstatic experience. Here we have our beloved principal, Dr. D.P. Sivasakti Balan sir, to present the welcome note.
Happy morning, all of you. It's once again, it is a milestone in the history of KRM Group of Schools. With the blessings of Almighty and the footsteps of our beloved Dean R.J. Master, under the guidance of our CEO R.J. Thayamana Swami, we are trying to extend our platform for the children to give them a maximum opportunities to develop themselves. You know, in almost major countries in abroad, they made military service as a mandatory part of their life, mandatory part of their schooling, of course. Military service, inevitably, they have to undergo at least 5 years, at least 3 years, at least 1 year. So, like different denominations, they are giving. But in our country, we cannot make this as a mandatory since we are a democratic country. We cannot do anything by compulsion. And if you look at the history of NCC, National Cadet Corps, and the National Cadet Corps, the service of these youth are from 1960s, when there was a war between Indo and China, then the Bangladesh war and the Pakistan war. All these times, the National Cadet Corps had been working as a second line defense. Since they are youngsters and youth, and the children, they cannot go into the war front. But the thing is, they can do other second line works like rescue. They can do the supply of arms to the war front. They can do food supply. And there are a lot of things that we can do. And India is really blessed with the youth power. That's the thing that almost all the political leaders, they are trying to draw these people inside the politics. If these youth have been channelized properly, definitely India will become one of the capitalist country in future. Capitalist country in the sense, the powerful country in military and every aspect. And already you know that now our Indian brains are the leading brains across the world. Whatever maybe the software industries in the world, there definitely our Indian is trying to create his stamp. And the victory of Kamala Harris, I need not tell you, that shows the greatest administrative capacity of our Indians too, isn't it? Whether it's Indra Nooyi or great people, they have proved that Indians are not behind of anything. India coastline, if you see around some 7,600 plus, India has a long coastline, but it has to be guarded properly. Because our friends turn into enemies, they may be for the environmental situation based attacks on India, whether on one side from China and the rest from Pakistan. So we need to establish a very great strength within us, no doubt at all. That's the reason that our Indian philosophers, Indian political philosophers, they came out with a wonderful idea called peace with strength. Before that, we were always talking about peace, peace, peace. Nothing will happen if we just only talking about the peace. We should have a strength. We should increase our strength. And keeping that in the mind, even before the independence, tapping the youth population was a major demand of our politicians. And that's the reason that National Cadet Corps have started. First Army Wing, then Air Wing, then Navy Wing too. And we are fortunate enough today that our KRM group of schools, that is KRM Public School CBSE and Kalki Ranganathan Manford Matriculation Higher Secondary School Ayanavaram, both are getting the naval unit going to be inaugurated by an able person, none other than a naval officer, who studied here in Joseph Presentation Convent, followed by that ICF Silver Jubilee School, then to Pachapas College. And when he was studying in the college, like many of us, he did not dream about wasting his time. Instead, he joined in NCC, that naval unit, and he equipped himself. He represents Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry and Andaman together in the Republic Day Parade, Delhi. And he was selected for youth exchange program with Thailand. Then he continued his aspiration and he took part in foreign naval cruise program and on board Indian naval ship from Tir to Bangkok and come back. So his aspiration continuously pushing him towards to take up the Services Selection Board, SSB, and then he entered into the Navy through the NCC Special Entry Scheme in 1995. Nearly about 25 years of service in Indian Navy, on board, naval headquarters, and other shore establishments at Kochi, Goa, Mumbai, Garwar, Visakhapatnam, Port Blair, and Dehradun. His services have been greatly commended by the flag officers, and his specialization is hydrographer. So, the Navy is a technical unit. So those are done physics, chemistry, biology, and those who have done physics, chemistry, mathematics, they can take up an entry. And a hydrographer as his specialization. More than that, he's a perfect shooter also. He took part in various shooting competitions conducted within Indian Defense Forces. And nearly about 13 years, he surveyed the Indian Ocean, Indian Peninsula, Arabian Sea, and Bay of Bengal. His service during the tsunami time was greatly appreciated. And he has been commended by the Flag Officer Commanding in Chief, Southern Naval Command in 2005, for his devotion to duty during the tsunami relief operations, and twice by the Commander-in-Chief, Andaman and Nicobar Command for devotion to duty in 2012 and 2013. Now, our commander, Mr. Commander Venkatramani, is a staff officer of Personnel and Administration, P&A, in headquarters that is here in Chennai, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, looking after Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry naval area. He has been blessed with a son and a daughter. The son is doing his engineering, whereas daughter is doing her 9th grade. And his wife, Madam Annalakshmi, is a yoga instructor. So such a beautiful family, belongs to a beautiful family, living so close to our school too. Such a great commander, Venkatramani sir, is with us to formally inaugurate our NCC units and bless all of us, as well as to guide us how to take up a career in Navy too. On behalf of our Dean, on behalf of our CEO, on behalf of our my counterpart, Mr. Robinson sir, and all the colleagues here, and the ANOs here, and the first year cadets and the second year Army cadets, as well as the Navy cadets, let me take a pleasure of welcoming our Commander Venkatramani sir. Welcome sir, welcome to our group of schools. And my welcome is to all the ANOs, ANO Mr. Mahadevan and ANO Mrs. Devi, and ANO Mr. Murali, ANO Mrs. Benita, third officer, and Navy ANOs who is going to take up as a caretakers now, Mr. Suresh and Mrs. Pragada. Welcome all of you. All the best. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir. Sometimes they rush in after the storm. Sometimes they are the storm. Now I call upon Cadet Kevin Adam for the presentation on Indian Navy. Cadet Kevin Adam, are you present?
Is the screen sharing option is given? Yeah.
Yes. Can you see the presentation? A very good morning to one and all. I am Kevin Adam R of class 8B. I take this opportunity to thank the management, our beloved principal sir, for encouraging the presentation. Today, I am going to enlighten with one of the three forces of India, the Navy. Sham no Varuna, you rightly heard, protecting our peninsula with their metal and strategic execution is our Indian Navy. So, what is Indian Navy? A navy or naval force or maritime force is a branch of nation's armed forces designated for warfare and combat operations. What is the purpose of Navy? The mission of Navy is to maintain, train, and equip combat-ready naval forces capable of winning wars, deterring aggression, and maintaining the freedom of the seas. Who started Navy Day? It was started by Shivaji Bhosale, creating his own fleet. The Maratha Navy, under the leadership of Kanhoji Angre, kept the English, Dutch, and Portuguese away from the Konkan coast. And so, our first Navy Day was celebrated on 4th December 1971. Every year, we celebrate it to recognize the achievements and role of the Indian Navy to the country. The fourth thing slide, we would be seeing different types of Indian Navy ships. The first, we have aircraft carrier. INS Vikram Aditya is the first carrier to be built in India. Vikrant means courageous. The next, we have destroyers. A destroyer is a fast, long-distance warship intended to escort larger vessels in a fleet or battle group. Frigates and cruisers. A frigate is a type of warship used for scouting, carrying dispatches, and disrupting enemy terrain. Amphibious warfare ship. It's a warship employed to land and support ground forces such as marines on enemy territory during amphibious assault. Submarine fleet. A submarine is a vessel that goes underwater, is used to attack enemy in underwater. Chakra Akula, nuclear power submarine laid down in the year 1973. How many departments are in the Navy? There are 14 cadets in the Indian Navy sorted into 4 branches. They are executive, engineering, electrical, education, medical. So first we'll talk about executive Navy. They are leaders in men of modern warfare and ambassadors of a country in foreign waters. The The second, we have Engineering Navy. They operate and maintain the machinery support system on ship, both above and below deck. Thirdly, we have Electrical Branch Navy. They are forged by the sea to seize warfare. The last, medical officers are responsible for scientific and also for general education. Last but not the least, respect armed forces with the slogan Daredevil of Air, Land and Water. Join Indian Armed Forces. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin.
Ma'am, over, ma'am.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. The pledge said,
Thank you.
but those NCC camps proved it. I would like to call upon QSM Kirti Lakshmi from grade 10 to share her thoughts on what she gained from NCC.
Happy morning to all our present here. This is Kirti. NCC is a highly reputed body which is also the second line of defense. In India, many youngsters are trained in the line with defense in case the need arises. If young students want to make it their career option, then being an NCC cadet holds a lot of weight as they are directly associated with the Ministry of Defense. Other than just military training, the cadets will also learn several other valuable things such as selflessness, honesty, discipline, hard work, and ways to build confidence and gain leadership qualities. Since NCC camps are held all over India, therefore, there is training in various parts of the country. Hence, students get to an opportunity to visit new places and learn the art of independence. They are required to use their social skills and their senses to get to know new places and adapt to the varying environment. Other than just social skills, they also get to learn about the history and the art of new place. NCC cadets learn to take pride in them and the training also strengthens the spirit of being an Indian. This helps them gear towards joining the forces and providing their 100% when the country is in need of them. Other than military activities, the cadets are taught other skills such as parachuting, paragliding, and basic aviation courses, because of which they have an edge over others when appearing for the armed forces. Other than that, they also have a special quota which is very useful in case of final selection to join the armed forces. Under the regime of exchange program, there are few selected students who get an opportunity to visit other countries and learn various things which are practiced in various parts of the world and exchange experiences with cadets who happen to come to India from foreign lands. There are a total of 32 seats which are set aside for cadets who hold NCC certificate, provided they have scored 50% in graduation with at least a B grade in a C level examination. If all this suffices, then they are eligible for SSC, Staff Selection Commission, without even qualifying a CDS written exam. All they have to do is clear the Shastriya Seema Bhar interview, SSB. Other than the SSB, they also get a preference all over other in the CRF and BSF. Other than just armed forces, there are several central and state government organizations who give special preference to NCC cadets. In addition to all aforementioned benefits, NCC experience is one different from all others. When we went to camp, we made new friends and we learned new skills. Eligibility conditions can be revised time to time by the concerned authorities. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kirti, for sharing your beautiful thoughts. Music is not to hear, it is to feel. Here we have Cadet Srinivasa Raghavan from grade 8 to show us his amazing performance on keyboard. a wonderful performance and a great treat to our ears. Thank you, Srinivasa Raghavan. We celebrate with pride the service rendered to the nation by our fearless and selfless warriors. Yes, the men in white. Now I call upon our chief guest of the day, Commander A.P. Rahman, for the inaugural address.
Can you hear me?
Others, please mute yourself. Except the speaker, others can mute. Thank you. Sir, it's not audible.
Can you hear me now?
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. Happy Savasakti Balan, sir. Robinson, sir. Our
Morning.
prayers and wishes
Thank
for
you.
starting this naval unit, NCC unit.
Thank you,
Our
sir.
prayers and wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, he is Mr. Sudarshanam, the principal of our first school, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Now you are audible, sir. Yes, sir. Please, you can continue, sir.
Respected Dean, Mr. R. Janardhanan, Mr. Bhunesh, CEO of KRM Group of Schools, Mr. Shivashakti Balan, Principal, KRM School, Mr. Robinson, Principal, KRM Matriculation Higher Secondary School, ANOs, Mr. Suresh and Ms. Pragada, teachers, parents, and my dear cadets. Good morning to you all. It is indeed my pleasure and a great personal honor to have been invited to inaugurate not one but two NCC naval units of the prestigious Kalgi Ranganathan Montfort group of educational institutions. I sincerely thank the school authorities for extending such a warm welcome and to have thought that a man in uniform will be the most apt person to inaugurate the NCC units. Before I proceed further, I'd like to congratulate Cadet Kevin Adam for his wonderful presentation on the Indian Navy, Cadet Kanti Lakshmi on the presentation on NCC. He had covered most of the points which I had planned to convey, and Cadet Srinivasa Raghavan on his wonderful performance on the keyboard. Coming back, when I said that it's a great personal honor to have been invited to inaugurate the NCC unit, it wasn't superficial. I sincerely meant it because I'm a proud ex-CC cadet too. And what more can an ex-NCC cadet look forward to? I'm sure there are many among us who seek answers to the question, what changes can the NCC create in a person's life? Let me tell you from my personal example, it changes your life completely and without doubt for the better. It wouldn't be an understatement if I say that I am what I am today because of the National Cadet Corps. It was the NCC that changed my personality and opened the doors to join the Indian Navy. I am proud to say that NCC formed the bedrock on which I had laid the foundation to achieve my ambition of joining the Indian Navy. What does this wonderful organization do to you? Please allow me to take a few moments to list out a few of it. It teaches you to be disciplined. It teaches you to be responsible. It makes you imbibe leadership qualities such as courage, integrity, being secular, empathetic, rightfulness, to communicate effectively, to lead by example, have spirit de corps, be charismatic, so on and so forth. The list is endless. I can say with conviction that there is no other singular organization in the country today that can, other than the Armed Forces Institution, that can totally transform the personality of a young boy or a girl into a well-developed, all-round, and responsible citizen of future India. I once again thank the school authorities for shepherding such young students of your institution who are the future pillars of the nation
அவன் எதை கேட்டாங்க
towards the righteous path. This effort of yours
கிளாஸ் டீச்சர் ஆகுது
9A
யார் இது
எந்த 9D
9
DD
டியா
Please mute.
சொல்லு அப்பா
Participant, please mute.
அப்படியே சொல்லு மைக்லயே சொல்லு
Please mute.
Hello?
Please mute your Toxic Thunder. Please mute. Sorry,
மியூட்
sir.
பண்ண சொல்றாங்க.
உண்மையா
Toxic Thunder, please mute. Yes. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please.
No problem, no problem, no problem. It's a small mistake by the time, not an issue. I once again thank the school authorities for shepherding the young students of your institution who are the future pillars of nation towards this righteous path. This effort of yours perfectly complements our beloved RJ Master's mission of nurturing the student to be equipped with a strong mind, body, and spirit, and to offer challenging opportunities for leadership. Dear cadets, let me warn you that you may face the ridicule of fellow students at times when you are sweating it out during parades and camps and other physical activities in the NCC, while they are having fun in the virtual world in the comfort of their homes. If you work hard with sincerity and focus and prove yourself as an outstanding cadet, let me tell you, there are a lot of benefits, and allow me to list a few of them. The TN state government offers you scholarship of ₹500 a month for 10 months for 200 SD, SW, meritorious and deserving cadets. The state government provides scholarship of ₹200 per month for 10 months for 400 junior division and junior wing meritorious and deserving cadets. Cash incentives to RD contingent cadets is also provided by the state government. A cash award of ₹2,000 is offered to participants of youth exchange programs. Scholarship of ₹6,000 is offered by Cadet Welfare Society to 750 urban and 250 rural meritorious cadets. Cash awards of ₹4,500 for the first best cadet and ₹3,500 for the second best cadet is also offered by the Cadet Welfare Society. Scholarship up to ₹6,000 is offered for best cadets of respective wings by the service chiefs. Director General of NCC offers a scholarship of ₹3,000, 1,000 and 500 respectively for first, second and third best cadet in the Republic Day Camp Parade. One seat is reserved in UG course in each college and one seat in PG course and Polytechnic course where NCC is available. offered for C, B, and A certificate holders respectively in recruitment towards state government jobs. Whilst there are benefits offered, these are the benefits offered by the state government. The defense forces offer a lot of incentives. Let me list it down post-wise. In the army, 19 vacancies in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, for boys holding C certificate is reserved. 50 vacancy per course for boys and 4 for girls holding C certificate in Short Service Commission without having to appear for the Union Public Service Commission examination. In the Navy, 6 vacancies are offered in every course for technical entry for boys holding Naval Wing C certificate without having to appear for UPSC. Air Force, boys holding Air Wing C certificate can apply directly into flying branch without having to appear for the AFCAT. There is a 10% vacancy per course for boys holding Air Wing C certificate in flying branch, Short Service Commission, and ground duties. Additional marks are awarded in entrance tests to Army, Navy, and Air Force towards recruitment of Jawans, sailors, and airmen. There are preferences and bonus marks in job vacancies of paramilitary forces, Department of Telecom, CRPF, NCC staff, and also the corporate industries. Having enumerated the incentives, I would fail in my duty as a service officer if I do not bring about the various opportunities the services and the Navy in particular offer to its young citizens. A job in the armed forces is not considered as an employment, but service to the nation. The Navy gives you excellent opportunities to lead a successful and satisfying life, and also provides multiple avenues to pursue your dreams, be it circumnavigating the oceans, mountaineering, skydiving, scuba diving, shooting, running marathons, Antarctic expeditions, flying fighter aircrafts, commando training, athletics, games, bike expeditions. You name it, the Navy has it for you. Eligible men and women can join the Navy right from the age of 16 and a half up to the age of 35 through multiple entry schemes into cadres varied as executive, engineering, electrical, education, law, pilot, observer, musician, logistics, air traffic controllers, medical, information technology, naval architecture, and more. I would request you cadets to visit the naval website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. I repeat, www.joinindiannavy.gov.in, wherein you can create your own personal account, and when applications for various posts are invited, you will get automatic updates on your mail. In addition to that, what most NCC cadets may not know, but I would like to bring it to your notice, is the NCC has provided an application that is available in Google Play Store. It's called the NCC app. It will help you to do well in the NCC. I suggest that you cadets download it and make the best use of it. In conclusion, I would once again like to thank the CEO, the principals, ANOs, teachers, and staff for inviting me to take part in this inauguration ceremony. I, on behalf of the Indian Navy and the NCC, wish both the schools to achieve many more laurels and the cadets a very bright future ahead. With that, I hereby declare the Naval NCC wings of Kaligi Ranganathan Montfort Public School and Kaligi Ranganathan Montfort Matriculation Higher Secondary Schools open. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for motivating us. Life is only a reflection of what we allow ourselves to see. I request the participants to clarify their doubts and ask questions to our guest.
May I ask?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. So my question is, why did you opt for Navy? Why not Air Force or Army?
Right from my young days, I have been having friends whose fathers were in the Navy. So when I used to interact with them, they used to bring up the best in the Navy. And when I joined the college, uh, I preferred to join the NCC Naval Wing because at that time I was so enamored by the charisma of the uniform. And subsequently, by the time I finished my 3 years of college, I had fully developed a obsession, I would say, to join the Navy.
That was great, sir. Thank you.
Right, anybody else who would like to ask anything to our commander? Anything about the career related thing? Or any of your doubts about your personality development, you can ask. Only 1 minute time can be given. And as you know, my dear friends, our officer is in recruiting field P and AR. So he has answers for everything. 25 plus years in Indian Navy is really amazing. Sir, there is a question in the chat box. Sir, can I read it, sir? The question is, sir, can we join Indian Navy as a doctor or in medical field? Why, sir? I'm sorry. Your voice is not audible. Sorry, sir.
Can you hear
Commander,
me, sir?
sir. Now it's okay, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Yes, certainly. You can, as a cadet, you can join the Navy. You can go into the Armed Forces Medical College and become a doctor, or you can complete your MBBS and then subsequently join into the Navy.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of our school parents, can I ask you a question, sir? Sir, many of the parents, when they are joining their kids in the naval unit, their foremost question is, suppose if they are selected for Navy, they have to be away from the home for months. So their family life would have been affected. So this is the question they have in their mind, sir.
So like I said, it is not a 9 to 5 job.
Voice, sir? Sorry? Voice, please. Audio.
It's audible now?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir. Now it's okay.
Sir, it is service to the nation. It is not a 9 to 5 corporate job. So be it the Army, be it the Air Force, or be it the Navy, we cannot be sitting at home and working. We have to be at the frontiers. We have to be at the borders. We have to be at sea to protect the nation. So that is I won't say a drawback. It is the charm of the forces that allows you to operate in such conditions. Certainly in a corporate job, you won't get this kind of an opportunity to sail the oceans or fly the skies or guard the borders. That is why we say it is service to the nation, not an employment.
Right. Thank you, sir. Another question from one of the art students. Can art students avail the opportunities to available in to take part in Navy, sir?
Absolutely, sir. Art students can also join the Navy. There are multiple cadres in which they can join. Like I said, please visit the website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. There's a lot of opportunities both for science graduate and other streams which are made available in the Navy and the armed forces. You can join as a law graduate. You can join as a logistics branch officers. Multiple streams in which you can join.
Thank you, sir. Next question is, sir, the opportunities available in armed forces are equally applicable for both girls and boys.
Let me be open about it. The conditions in which we operate are so varied that combat as of now has not been open for equally for men and women. But there are so many other branches, like I say, education, logistics, air traffic control, even flying aircraft, law. Such branches have equal opportunities for both men and women. It is only in the combat section where the doors are yet to be opened, and I'm sure the girls will catch up with the boys soon.
Right. Thank you, sir. If I'm a badminton player, is it possible to get into Navy, sir?
There are sports entries also. If you are a meritorious sports person who have achieved, then certainly you can join under the sports quota also.
Right. Thank you, sir. Let it be the last question. Sir, how did you feel when you joined in Navy?
Sir, it was a exhilarating feeling, I would say. I was feeling as I am on top of the world and I've conquered the world. That was a feeling initially, and it took time for me to realize that what a responsibility has been given to me. And I would repeat that it took almost about 2 to 3 days for me to realize the enormity of the responsibilities bestowed on me. And I hope I have lived up to it.
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for all your patient answering. Thank you, sir. Friends, you have more number of questions. We do understand, but due to the lack of time, we couldn't continue further. So you can check with your ANOs. They will help you. They will answer all your remaining questions. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Camila, you can continue.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Gratitude means sense to our past, brings peace for the present, and creates a vision for the future. I request Mr. J. Robinson, Principal of Kaligi Ranganathan Montfort Higher Secondary School, Ainavaram, to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. I hope that you are able to hear me.
Perfect, sir. Perfect, sir.
So actually this session is centrally a wonderful session. I'm very happy to give the vote of thanks to everyone gathered in this online. Let me thank our most valued honorable chief guest, Commander Mr. A.V. Ramani, because the entire message by the commander is a great awareness for our students who have joined this NCC. My sincere thanks to our chief guest for spending his time and taking effort to share his experiences with us and trigger the feeling of enthusiasm among our students. Sir, your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown a new path. I don't know how many students they know about the NCC, but in this inaugural function, the students, those who participated in this function, because of your message, they will reach greater heights. So really, we thank you from the bottom of my heart, and your presence is a great blessing for all our students and for our school also. My special thanks to my teammate, Mr. Sivasakti Balan sir, and Mr. Sudarshan sir, who always share similar thoughts in bringing holistic development among our students. I thank all the in charges of NCC, both Army and Naval, and the staff members for the tremendous efforts in bringing the NCC to our institution. And my special thanks to all my beloved students. Within a short duration, you have become ready for this online inaugural function. So my blessings and special thanks to all my beloved students. And the most important thing, I would like to say a few words in this vote of thanks message. Dear students, our chief guest gave a very important message. This is not a 9-to-5 job. So please understand that one. And we have to follow the instructions or follow the message given by our commander. I hope that you will cooperate, and definitely you will come up in flying colors. So once again, I thank everyone. I hope that I didn't miss anyone. I thank everyone for making this online session, online inaugural function, a grand success. I thank you all. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Kamila, let us all stand for national anthem, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Let us all stand.
I request all the participants to stand for the national anthem. Corporal Sandhya, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, you can start.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Yes, we can hear you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तब शुभ नाहे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तब शुभ गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे